In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails with Gamma AI. If you're eager to enhance your video content with compelling visuals, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your Gamma AI account. Simply navigate to the Gamma AI homepage using your browser and enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, look for the option labeled AI Images in the dashboard menu. Clicking on this will take you to a page dedicated to image generation, where you can start crafting your unique thumbnails. Next, you'll want to click on Generate New Image. This will open up a new interface where you can input all the creative details needed for your thumbnail. You'll begin by entering a prompt. This is essentially the description or concept you want the AI to visualize. Be as specific as you can, because the more detailed your prompt, the better the AI will understand your vision, and the result will be more aligned with your expectations. After you've typed in your prompt, decide on the art style you want for your thumbnail. Gamma AI offers a variety of artistic styles that will help set the tone and mood for your image. From realistic to abstract, there's something for every kind of video content. The next step is to select the aspect ratio. Since we're creating a YouTube thumbnail, the 16:9 ratio is ideal as it matches the typical size and format specifications for YouTube videos. This will ensure that your image fits perfectly without any cropping or distortion. Now, decide on the number of images you'd like the AI to generate. This feature is particularly useful if you want multiple design options to choose from. Feel free to experiment and see how different variations of your idea come to life. Next, you'll need to select the AI model you want to use for image generation. Different models might offer unique enhancements or stylistic traits, so take your time to explore which one aligns best with your vision before finalizing your choice. Finally, when everything is set up to your liking and you've double-checked your settings, click on the Generate button. The AI will work its magic and, within moments, present you with a tailored image that captures the essence of your YouTube video. And there you have it. Creating YouTube thumbnails with Gamma AI is as simple as that. Feel free to tweak each step according to what works best for you. Enjoy your new, personalized thumbnails, and don't forget to let your creative instincts guide you as you bring your video content to life. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy creating.